Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can sell on Weebly, so let's get right into it. Now, to sell products or anything else on Weebly, you should do a couple of things first. What I recommend you do, go into your site settings from your editor, click on general if you're not already there, and then go into site category and set it up as an online store or a business. You can pretty much just categorize it however you want. However, I do recommend online store. Then click save, and that is updated now. And as you can see, this allows Weebly to provide suggestions and personalization for your store. And usually this depends on which template you select, but as you'll see, it didn't change anything, but it's something that's good to have. Now, what you're going to do is exit out of this, and then you're going to set up your payment processing. Go into settings, go into checkout, and then select whichever sort of payment processing you want. In my region, I have Stripe and PayPal as the only two options. I don't have Stripe connected because Stripe is not available in my region right now, so I'm just not going to connect anything. But if you wanted to use PayPal, you do need to have a premium plan. I do recommend you upgrade anyway if you're opening up an online store, simply to have access to all the needed tools. But once you connect this, then that's pretty much it. Go into items, go into site items. You can set up categories and individual items. You can also set up coupons, gift cards, and everything else. However, as you can see, I already have two items. You can click create a new item. You can select the item type from here, title it, price it, describe it, set the visibility, set up the fulfillment options, as well as render it non-taxable if you want to. You can add additional information, etc., etc. But since I already have some products, I'm not going to do it. Just add a new product, enter all the needed information, and that's pretty much it. But what we're gonna need to do as well, we're gonna need to display it on our site somehow. So let's do that. Now I'm gonna go over and go into my site editor, and once I'm here, I'm actually gonna create a new page, simply because I don't want to clutter my already existing ones. So I'm just gonna click here on the plus, you can add a new product page. So let's say product 1. You can add product test 1 or test 2, and that's gonna be your product pages. Where you're going to purchase individual products pretty much, and I clicked something that I didn't want to, so let me just go out of that. But what you can do, Jesus, I also made another mistake. Doesn't matter, let me just re-enter my site editor. I'm going to create a new blank page, just a standard page, and I'm going to add an e-commerce element to it. So let me just get my bearings and actually do what I'm supposed to do for a second. Click here, add a standard page. Let's name it storefront, for example. You can set the header type, the visibility type, and the SEO settings here as well. Just going to call it storefront, and then I'm going to go over into build, scroll down until we get to e-commerce, click here to add a product element, and then you can select whichever product you want to showcase here. And let's wait just a second. If you have different collections under pages, you can select a non-selectable interface, which you can then divide into, for example, collection pages for different products. But for some reason, this doesn't want to work. So let me just try that again. And for some reason, it's having trouble accessing my products. So let me just go over back into my homepage to show you guys what it looks like when it actually works. So let me just scroll down. And as you can see, if I click here, you can manage products. And here, if I click select products, it's again loading my product. Not sure why it's doing it infinitely, but here you can select which products you want to showcase in this product menu. You can also change the layout of this from these 4 layouts. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you've set this up, everything should be good. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.